Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to add your credit card to your Shopify account, and then I will show you how to cancel your Shopify subscription and delete your credit card from your account. As you can see, I am logged into my Shopify account. To add your credit card, go to settings, go to plan and click on choose plan. Select whatever the plan you want to choose. Then add your card information. After filling all your information, click on subscribe. Here you can see our card is added to our account. Now I will show you how to cancel your Shopify subscription and delete your credit card from your account. First go to settings and then go to plan. Here before deactivating the store, we have to confirm that all our apps are uninstalled from the store. Otherwise they will start deducting payments after deactivating the store. Now click on deactivate store. Choose your region and press continue. Enter your password and then press deactivate store. Here you can see your Shopify account is deactivated. Now go to continue to payment. Here you can see your card is also disconnected from your account. As you can see, your Shopify subscription is cancelled and your card is removed from your account. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and we will see you in our next video.